End means to stop, often without implying that someone actively completes it. And finish means to complete something fully. Number 1. The movie will blank at 9. Movies stop by themselves. No one needs to actively complete them. So the answer is end. The movie will end at 9. Number 2. I need to blank my homework. Homework is a task you have to complete yourself. So the correct answer is finish. I need to finish my homework. Moving on to number 3. The party will blank soon. Parties naturally stop at a set time. You don't finish a party, it just ends. The party will end soon. Number 4. Please blank your drink. To drink all of it, you must actively complete the action. The answer is finish. Please finish your drink. Number 5. The game will blank in 5 minutes. Games stop according to a schedule. No effort is needed. So that's end. The game will end in 5 minutes. Number 6. Did you blank reading a book? Reading a book requires effort to reach the last page. So the correct answer is finish. Did you finish reading the book? A quick recap. End means to stop by itself. And finish means that you make it done. Now it's your turn. Try the extra exercise on your own. Then check your answers. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, and I work hard to make these lessons for you. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.